Hello and good morning. So, welcome to my channel. I'm Dania. And before starting with our lesson, I would like to apologize for not being active within the past few weeks. And I think you know the reason for that. Basically, I wasn't feeling well, but I'm kind of okay. I'm feeling much better recently, so that is why I'm back to the channel and I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible. All right, but before starting with today's video, I would like to know that you would like to focus on. Just let me know in the comments below. So without further ado, let's start with today's lesson. So today's lesson focuses on the differences between 2 and 4. So I will show you how to use 2 and 4 in sentences, using examples with detailed explanations to help you understand the idea and the differences between these two prepositions easily. Alright, so let's start. I gave this book to my friend. And the second one, I bought this book for my friend Y to read during the trip. So what is actually the difference between these two sentences? If you look at the first one, we are using 2, but the second one uses 4. What is the difference? With the use of 2, you are referring to a specific friend. So to my friend, that means I'm talking about specific friend, like especially to this particular friend. But with the use of 4, we are focusing on the reason. Now let's have a look at another example. This book is for learning English. And the second one, this book is to learn English. So if you look at both sentences, the meaning is almost the same. With the use of 4, we are saying that this book is written for a specific purpose, which is learning the language, learning English. And also the second sentence, with the use of 2, this book is to learn English. That means this book is basically directed to learn English and not to learn Spanish or Italian. Alright, so this is how you can use 2 and 4. He made a card for his friend, and the second one, he gave a card to his friend. What is the difference between these two sentences? You need to use 4 when speaking about reasons, and you need to use 2 when you are indicating your reference to someone specific. So it's about handing things and sending. Alright, so this is how you can use give in sentences. Now let's have a look at 2 different examples. She drew a picture for her teacher. And the second one, she sent the picture to her teacher. What is the difference between the two? So if you look at the first one, we are using drew, which is the past of draw. And also we have for her teacher. And the second one, we are using sent to. So if we look at the first sentence, we can tell that we are speaking about a reason. But the second sentence, we are speaking about giving and sending the picture. And that is why we use sent. Sent to who? To the teacher. Specific reference to the teacher. We can actually use 2 and 4 to speak about the duration of time. How? Let's have a look at these examples. Here we have the movie runs from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So when we speak about the duration of time, we need to use from and to. From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this is really important to remember. Alright, let's have a look at another example. The movie runs for 2 hours for 2 hours. What does that mean? We are speaking about the duration of time. For how long? For 2 hours. Alright? Another example. She walked to the park. When we speak about walking, we need to use to because this is related to directions and never use for. We can't say she walked for the park. If you have any questions related to what I have just explained, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And as for the upcoming videos, if you have like specific videos or maybe specific topics that you would like to focus on, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, so in this case, I really hope everything was easy for you to understand. And so I wish you a wonderful time, and I will be looking forward to having you on the upcoming video. So have a great day and take care. Bye bye.